Hey guys, this is Aisha. Today we are discussing about the general neuroanatomy. We are starting with the neural tube and we are talking about the neural tube of the more cranial part. Neural tube further gives rise to primary brain vesicles. These are prosencephalon, mesencephalon and rhombencephalon. In prosencephalon we see there are some vesicles which are seen and they further divide and gives rise to secondary brain vesicle. The prosencephalon gives rise to telencephalon and diencephalon, and mesencephalon gives rise to mesencephalon itself. It will not further divide, it will remain constant. Then rhombencephalon divided into two parts, metencephalon and myelencephalon. So we have three primary brain vesicles. These are prosen, mesen and rhomben, and we have telen, dien, mesen, meten, myelin secondary brain vesicles. So let's discuss about the derivatives of secondary brain vesicle. From the telencephalon you are seeing that it is more above part. You are seeing that it is looking like cerebrum or it is the uppermost part. So we can understand it by this way that telencephalon gives rise to cerebrum or the basal ganglia part, the corpus tritum part. Telencephalon gives rise to cerebrum and corpus tritum. Diencephalon, it is more downward and inside. It will gives rise to all the thalamic part, all the thalamic connections like metathalamus, epithalamus, subthalamus, hypothalamus, and two other things like optic stalk and neurohypophysis. Optic stalk means optic nerve and retina, and the neurohypophysis, which means the posterior pituitary, also derived from diencephalon. Mesencephalon, metencephalon and myelencephalon, these are the secondary brain vesicles, gives rise to midbrain, pons and medulla sequentially. That means the mesencephalon gives rise to midbrain, metencephalon gives rise to pons and myelin medulla. So look at that part. The telencephalon gives rise to cerebrum and corpus tritum. Cavity of the telencephalon gives rise to lateral ventricle. I'll discuss with you the point that the cavity of the telencephalon gives rise to lateral ventricle. Why? Because lateral ventricle is present inside the cerebrum, and cerebrum is derived from the telencephalon. That means the cavity of the telencephalon will always gives rise to the lateral ventricle. Just the same way, diencephalon